Hello everyone, my name is Al and welcome back to Dead Trigger 2. Bro, I've been thinking about this game. Other than schoolworks, I didn't want to play this game, bro, again. Um so in the last video, like the previous video, I said JPGs instead of PNGs. I am so sorry about that. So anyways, let's get right into it. Woo, good to be back. Hey Mayhem, glad to see you back. Check out the challenge. What challenge? Score 40. Oh. Ads. Score 40 headshots. Alright. Let's get some painkillers. By the way, before I actually played this, I didn't make an account.
Okay.
So, when I made an
production
account,
finished.
I had to restart the game when I made an account.
Okay.
So yeah, but I did exactly as I did from the last video, so everything's good. Ooh, I haven't told you about Herman, did I? Our scientist was researching toxins in the city, and now the zombies want to do some research on him. Please save him. I will. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. The zombies. Fresh meat. Come on. Come on, I want to play. Ooh. Ooh. Bro, I am frame dropping. No problem, no problem. Well, why am I frame dropping so bad? Ooh. Ooh. Back up. Back up. Which song, brother? Search the first floor of that right? For what? Oh, the scientist. No problem, no problem. Watch out for the area. See if you can free the toxins, huh? Oh, jeez. Bro, my frame drop. Hold on, let me fix this. I don't know how to fix it, but my frame drop is just doesn't wanna be with me right now.
I'll take that.
Alright. Okay, looking good.
Excellent.
Sounds like the toxins are gone. Let's find the scientist. Alright. Oh my. Oh, this is what I remember. Bro.
Hurt you.
I'm gonna shoot the barrel. Back up. You gotta back up on that one because he is gonna explode. Cover this up. The reason why I'm covering this up because sometimes zombies coming from that way. So yeah.
Oh, hello. How's it going?
I'm doing fine. Why are you here? Literally in just a fridge. I thought that Engineer Roberto was the ugly crazy guy around here, but I was wrong. Today I met Herman, the scientist. He was hiding in a fridge. Maybe he was searching for. Again, it doesn't continue, so no need to be angry about that. Herman salutes you, unknown savior. From now on, I am your master of technology. I'll turn this primitive place into a marvel of science. Alright. Ooh, boom chicken. Upgrade your tech level to increase income and unlock worker upgrades.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Great. Net. I'm working hard on the tech upgrade, and as soon as it's done, we'll be capable to move to Africa. In a few minutes. Later. I'll finish. I have no time to wait for this. I got no patience. You have time, just don't got patience. Ooh, we in Africa. I actually skip that. It is a daily job. An important assignment which is worth bigger reward. Always look for these as they can push you forward with minimal effort. Okay. This generic mission, pal. These one shot. Okay. So these are like side missions. I don't want to do that. I want to go to the story. Campaign. Welcome to Africa. We've been reported that strange mutations has appeared in this region. I'm just gonna do this. Gonna do this. There we go. Alright, let's go. We actually get to fight the Titan. Or no, I don't know. Okay, FPS is nice and smooth now. What is this?
I'll take that.
Die.
What do we have here?
Show them. Oh, this is so cool. And more. 32 more. Freaking spider in here. Okay.
And stay down.
Bro, you can't react that fast, man.
Tough bastard.
FPS is here
Nice.
again. Being dropped.
You like it?
Where else? Come on, give it to me. Who was that dude waiting? What the? He's actually alive in the kill. Bro, I can't aim. Look at that. Freaking waving at me.
Almost there.
Okay, 6 more. Do this. No, where's he at? You did. You did. You did. You did.
Easy prey.
Hey. Let's hit the dirt. Alright. Oh, that's it. Okay. Alright. We should definitely take care of that giant creature, yeah, but we need to help the local survivors first. Alright, let's go. What? You gotta wait? Do some side missions then. Alright.
Bring it on.
Crash survivors in this area. Find the crash site and survive it. Okay.
I've been stuck here for ages.
Ooh, that's a nice reload, bro. Okay. Whoa, that's a lot.
Keep me covered.
I'm so sorry.
Keep me covered. Yeah, please. Oh, next one. Hold on.
Kill the big dude by himself. Nice. Hold it, bro. Let's get the shot. Stop.
Hasta la vista, Gatling. What do we have here?
Ooh.
I need help.
Oh.
Help. I got you.
I got you. No worries. Ooh, that's nice.
Kaboom.
Where are you? Oh. What are you doing?
There you are. Let's roll.
Sorry. The escort was successful. I got the survivor through a bad territory. My stats today are 24 zombies killed. Meanwhile, my Lepara heated up from overuse and my gut is screaming. Okay. These are some short missions.
All right. Oh, hello.
Upgrade you.
All right.
Then upgrade you.
Okay.
Maybe upgrade you. So we have a lot of money right now.
Yes.
Okay, our stations like upgrade very quickly. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for this video. This one may be a short one, but bro, the frame drop is just not with me today. So yeah, but I'll make sure to the next video will have no frame drops at all. I'll be sure. No problem. Of course, please like and subscribe. It helps me very much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.